Okay, let's see this vending machine. Yes, this is a vending machine that sells the drinks. Yes, and the many cartoons figures are on the bottles, are on the cans. Yes, this is Snoopy, and I don't know what it is. And this is Chromie. And there's also this is a Captain America, Marvel, and this is a Paw Patrol. Yes, it's a little expensive. Like a small bottle costs $40 NT. Yes, and, look at these 3 dogs. It's Paw Patrol. Yes, 3 dogs. Yeah, the Paw Patrol are a variety of dogs. Yes, you can see this. I think this vending machine maybe is from Japan, because in Japan there are many cartoon style vending machine. Yes.